Hi, this is Ben, and I'm looking here at the Philips Hue Signe Smart Table Lamp. Just got this out of the box, and it is just about ready to set up. All I need to do is assemble the power adapter there and plug it into the wall. Here we go. All right, as soon as you plug it in, you can see the light comes on. Now, there's no actual switches on this device. So this lamp really is designed to work with the whole array of Philips Hue products. It's really meant to be decorative lighting, so you can face it towards the wall to get the true effect of it. This single lamp, even though it's not really tall, will emit several different colors, which then creates sort of a gradient effect on the wall or wherever it's reflecting off of. The real power comes when you can hook it up to a smart home system. So it does work with both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. It does give a really nice effect. The cable is 2 meters long or about 6 feet long. Base is nice and sturdy. It's not going to tip over. On the bottom, there's a felt pad, which will prevent it from damaging any surfaces or scratching any surfaces. I think this top part is plastic and this outer edge is some type of metal or aluminum. So it's definitely nice and sturdy. It's not going to tip over. It's not going to snap. It's not going to break. The light is nice and even distributed. Getting a couple of these to put around the house and coordinate the lighting gives you the potential to create some really great mood lighting and in fact lighting in your home.